Okie dokie. Are we ready for round 2? Yeah? I hope so. Let's give this a bet. Okay. That'll be my boss. Yeah. Why is live chat currently unavailable? Refresh. Let's try this again. Is it gonna be difficult today? Refresh. And work. Haha! We're winning. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Yes. Keep reminding myself of that. That was frustrating. Would have been nice wins after that. Oh well, okay, so let's see. It did go all the way down to pop into this major FU candle. No doubt about one. But now, let's see what we've got going on. I just marked it to take note of it, but now let's see if anything happens with it. I really thought it might want to look for those equal highs. Apparently not, and that's fine. Okay. Deep breaths. Okay. We're gonna give this a go today. I'm excited. Let's make this a good one. I'm really hoping that we can be a little bit more bold today. Maya, are you listening to yourself? It was a bit of a silly trade that I took in New York. Should have waited for that drop, but I guess it is what it is. Let me have a look here. Okay, let's now see if it goes for Asia highs or not. I'm gonna have to have a look, see what's happening. Don't even know if that's doing anything right now, but that's fine. Okay. Are we ready? Are we steady? Wait, maybe I should shrink that down to there so it's not annoying me. Set chart view and really scurry in. Make this look a little bit better. Okay. Hey, Bob! How are you doing? Are you feeling a little bit more alive? I'm glad you woke up. Are you feeling more like a human, or actually not at all because you've had no sleep? How are you feeling? Oh, be cool. How are you doing? Yeah, about 5 hours. Yeah, 5 hours is not that long. Oh, thanks, Pat. You are amazing. Thank you. You're a superstar. Really, really appreciate that. Yeah. Hey, Dead Wolf, how you doing? Wondering where you were? Are you guys ready for this afternoon? Well, morning for a lot of you. I wonder if, like, pat on the head is a compliment or not, if that makes any sense. Like, if someone had to pat me on the head, I would be like, what the heck? But in the same breath, I am a little bit on the shorter side of life, so I would kind of get it. I'd be like, yeah, that fits. I am like a little puppy dog, so I get it. But anyways, how was everyone's... Thanks, Dead Wolf. Hey Heisenberg, how you doing? I'm good. Yo, I've literally just come back from the horses. The big boy was a bit of a jerk and nearly bit my hand. So you can't really see. I don't know if you can see, it's like a teeny tiny bit swollen. Like this much. He didn't get me. Shame, he was aiming for the carrot. He was just a bit quick and my hand apparently was in the way. But it's okay. Oh, don't worry, Heisenberg. It's part of the fun. But it's fine. How was everyone's weekends? Yeah, I don't have photos anymore. So I've been bitten actually too many times to count. I've also been kicked. So I actually, fun fact, another one, I actually have a dent in my leg from a horse. So he dented my muscle. Dark Angel, how you doing? How was your weekend, Dark Angel? Bob told me that he watched you doing some back testing, refining your strategy. How was it? Did you find what you were looking for, or not really? On 450 and 430 for an entry, Bob. Is it... not right. Why those particular areas, Bob? Oh, amazing. I'm so glad. Key support area. Okay. So you think it's gonna melt down to that point and then climb up? Is that what you suspect is gonna happen? Oh, that's so cool, Dead Wolf. Dark Angel, did you find anything new with your strategy, or just that you have to start trusting it? Yeah, Dead Wolf, listen, so I grew up with horses. I've been riding since I was 3 years old. And this sounds bad, right? This sounds bad. If I could live without them, I would, because they are so expensive. But they are literally like... This is gonna sound bad, but I guess you guys will understand. They're like my will to live. They are my motivation for life. I just love them too much. And I would literally lose it if I did not have horses. I've tried it once. It was not a very pretty time in my life. Yeah, no, that's, Bob. That is very valid. 100% valid. Ooh, nice. Okay. Dark Angel, that's amazing. So that's the plan. Well, that's what we're looking out for. But Bob, like you said, it's the deck. If it actually goes according to plan, who knows, but Deadwolf, 1010%, I will take animals over humans every single time. My besties, my friends are like, oh, if me or your dog were like on a cliff, I was like, you have thumbs, you can pull yourself up. My dog does not. I'm gonna save him for 1000%. And then they go all but hurt, and I'm like, I don't know what you're expecting. Hey, Pat. So Pat wants pats, is what I'm getting. Yeah, Dark Angel, 100%. Oh my gosh. Do they have the zoomies, like the proper full-on zoomies? Love it when they get zoomies. That is the best. Or when they do that... I don't know how to explain it without looking weird. Yeah, so I guess we're just gonna look weird. So you know, like when they have so much energy and they kind of like fluff up and they do that bounce thing. Sorry. Do they do that? Because they have 2 sets of zoomies. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's amazing. Oh, Fluff, see? The animals just make me happy. And this is why I do this. That hopefully I can make enough money that I can just afford all the animals. Hey, Frankie B! How's it doing? How's it doing? That's not word. Let's try this again. Hey, Frankie B, how's it going? There we go. English, nailed it. Cats are so funny. It's like they want your attention, but not too much. That's too much love. They can only handle so much. Okay, I'm glad, Frankie. You got the special malfunction Maya there. Hey, Mark K, how's it going? Are you ready for hopefully round 2, and hopefully it's a good one? Let's see, this morning was... How was this morning? How do I explain this morning? It was so choppy. I actually shouldn't have put a trade. So I did place 1 trade. So we're hoping it would climb up for the SMT. It, like Bob likes to say, it's the deck. So it did not, it then melted. And then it was around that time that I had to rush off to the stables. Then it kept melting, it would have been amazing. Oh well. But it was choppy. I actually shouldn't have done a trade. It didn't jump out of any range. It was just straight lining, so that was my fault. I was not disciplined enough. Discipline Maya, damn it. So yeah, it was just choppy because apparently today is a bank holiday in the UK. Yep. So price action was disgusting. Yeah, it's just so frustrating because like looking then back on the holy moly, what? Oh guys, it's opening, hello! I was like, what is happening? That would explain what's happening. Let's see if it wants to reach for Asia highs. I've also learned my lesson, this is tea, because on Friday I could not sleep. That's on me, because I had coffee. Lesson learned, don't do that. Mistakes. Thanks, Dark Angel. Listen, yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there. It is a process. Explain, Dead Wolf? Explain for the group? Because now I'm curious. Hello! Hello, volatility. Let's do this, I guess. Damn. It's headed there. Bob, are you watching? I'm assuming you're watching. Just tapped out for all that liquidity. Hasn't closed beneath though. Let's see if a proper structure actually forms. Wow, okay, these wicks are crazy. Nearly knocked my tea over. I would have had a heart attack. That was a very big sigh. Was life just hard being a freeloader? Damn. Okay. very volatile right now, but that's why I have my 5-minute rule, right? So can't put anything in until 5 minutes so that it stops with all the volatility. Oh, that part of me wants to get in on this though, because it looks like it wants to go up and then back down again, but no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Yeah, listen, Marquet, it's so... Trading really is a mental game. Like, really is a mental game. Because you get a little bit... I almost want to say cocky. Yeah, I think cocky is a valid thing to call it, and you get all like, oh, I was so good, let's do this again, and then it proceeds to absolutely screw you for fun. And it's not fun. But it is, like you said, it's the greed and the ego. Like, I've had it a few times where I've put in trades, and instead of keeping my normal setup, I go, screw it, let's just go for the highs. And then where my normal setup would have been a win, it gets there and then it either just melts down straight to my stop loss or whatever the case may be. That is a very sucky feeling. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, Debt Wolf, amazing that you got such a massive payout. Aren't you just a freaking cool kid? Don't mind me, I'm just being salty. It's fine. Yeah. Didn't quite hit that point. Yeah, no. 100. It's called luck. No. Yes and no. I feel like sometimes, especially when it comes to NQ, it's part research, part luck. So, meh. Oh, Dark Angel, 100%. Debt Wolf, you are goals. We've got this. We're going to find our inner Debt Wolf. Oh! That was very lame. I'm so sorry. Moving on swiftly. Okay, here's the 5 minutes. Cool. Are we actually going to get out of this chop, or is it just going to be going up and down? Let's see if a proper market structure's formed. Sorry. My brain went elsewhere for a minute. This looks like it would have been close to a loss. Let's have a look. See, so if I had placed it there. Cool. You don't think so, Dark Angel. You just think it's a winning strategy. And being bold enough to take them. Like I said, theoretically, so part of me is proud of myself because I didn't take the trades this morning. But they would have been winning trades. Yet again, this is why I say it's a part luck, because the one trade I then did take was a loss. Interesting. Oh, I mean, no. You are actually correct. Let me not say interesting. New game. If we freaking go sideways again today, I'm gonna be bummed. Just took liquidity. That massive candle, well, that massive wick on ES. Just tapped into VWAP on ES. Woohoo! There it goes. Bob, it was just shy of that 440 area. Oh, that's interesting, Dark Angels. Yeah, because you... Isn't that then theoretically revenge trading? Because you missed the actual trade that you wanted. So part of you goes, well then screw it, and then you try the next trade, and then it screws you instead. Yes, that one would have been a loss. Let's see if some proper market structure actually forms before we get a trade in. Let's practice this discipline. Maybe not be a silly goose, Maya. My hand actually really hurts. And I feel like a baby because it's like... There's like... little bit of broken skin. Something like that, but it's like take the left, like interesting. Oh, Dark Angel, you missed it. My horse was a little bit overexcited for the carrot and my hand got in the way. So he I don't even want to say he bit me, he scraped me with his teeth. Like, literally can't even see it, but I can feel it. It's really annoying, so I think he may have just bruised it. Yeah. Dead wolf? Okay, wait, Dark Angel. Oh, these arseheads better not run away after my setup is forming. Yeah, yeah. Wait, is your setup forming? Do you want to enter down by... Wait, where did you say your entry? You did tell me, didn't you? They swept the lows. So is this what you wanted? Is this it? This momentum down's a little bit scary. Okay, so you're waiting for a proper structure to form. A bullish structure, right? Yes, obviously. Sorry, you said you're going for the London highs. Let's see here. I'm probably gonna regret doing this because I'm gonna feel like an absolute ninny. Yeah, okay. Ooh, nice, Bob. Whoop whoop. Well done. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna get a headache. I should have been in this trade. Except it kind of looks like it's bouncing off a VWAP. Maybe I don't want to be in this trade. Nope, nope. I can't be upset because I have to wait for profit marker. Profit? Oh my gosh, am I having a stroke? A proper market structure to be formed. Oh my gosh. Hey Neil, how you doing? Sorry, you came in as I was like, I don't even know what that was, but anyways. What's that engulfing? Bob, very, very well done. Wait, sorry, your entry was 47750. Oh, nice, okay. And then 507. Oh, that was an awesome trade. Well done. Yeah. And now we are sitting and chinchilling on VWAP on ES. Chinchilling like a chinchilla. Oh my gosh, are we just gonna be doing a straight line today? Oh, there we go. Broke it. Yeah, ES had a pretty decent momentum now. There we go. But you're right, it's still not. There we go. It's trying. It's trying its little best. It's just not working as well as we obviously freaking wanted to. Come on. Like, NQ almost looks like it wants to melt. What's Daily Sibby? Sorry, Neil. Out of curiosity, I don't know what that is. Let's see if it respects the higher time frames. Hopefully. Yeah, but this month has been weird. Again, we're just staying in this range. Let's have a look at what it looks like on the 5 minute. Oh, cool. See, we are literally just staying in a straight line on the 5 minute. Oh, wait. Are we gonna break? No. Not yet. It looks like it wants to go down. Is it looking to pull that big FU candle? There we go. From Friday. That's kind of what it looks like it wants to do. Well, Dark Angel, your wish is NQ. Wait. Yes, your wish is NQ's command. Here it goes. Cool, that would have been a loss. Thank heavens. But then this way would have been awesome. Oh well, there was no proper structure formed yet, so can't be bummed about that. Yet. Yet being the keyword. Starts to go up again. Maybe look at this one. It hasn't broken that low. I don't know if it's going to come this high up. Let's see. If we can get a quick one in, that'll be awesome. Just really high up on that fair value gap. I don't know if it's going to come that far down. Oh, wait, that candle's scary. Okay. No, don't be scared. You're gonna regret it. Sorry guys, I was not focused. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Neil. Sorry. If we're broken heart. Also, hi Demante, how are you doing? Hey LJ, how are you? Neil, you're eyeing August 19th fair value gap. Interesting. I should have pressed sell earlier. I was a chicken and look what happened. I don't think it's gonna come back up. Oh well. Bob, you are a chop. We love it. Okay. Part of me wants to be cheeky, part of me wants to be cheeky, part of me wants to be cheeky. It's pushing down. I mean, the fact that it tagged me back in is a little bit nerve-wracking, but on ES it is pushing down. Thanks, Mark 1. I know it's 1 Mark, but you are Mark 1 now. Oof. Equal lows on the 5. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Is it created equal lows? Come on, be respectful like ES. ES is looking good to go down, so go down. Nope. It's gonna push up. I can see it. Here we go. What the mood? Hanan. Okay. Hey, Geordie. No, Bob is Bob. Bob is amazing. But Bob does not do ICT. I can tell you that one. Cool, this is going to be a big push that either takes me straight out. There we go. I have not, just because... Thanks, Dark Angel. It really looked like it wanted to push down, so I can't be upset about that. I thought I would have tried to at least take these lows before reversal, but... If it starts going down now, I'm gonna be grumpy as hell. What the heck? Thanks, Dark Angel. You have a plan, all you can do is execute. If it meets your rules, it's good for a trade. That's true, Mark 1. Part of me wants to be like, that was just unlucky. But I should have maybe waited for a proper structure to have formed. Sorry, there'll always be ways to blame ourselves for a bad trade, but... Yeah, I know, Dark Angel, so maybe I must just wait until it's out of the chop. So do you know what I'm gonna do? How about this? How about this? Okay, so we're gonna draw here to here. When it actually closes decently above or below this freaking block, I can put a trade in. Before that, hands off, Maya. No touching, okay? No touching. Bob, yes, you're more of a price action guy. Look for patterns around key levels, yes. Dark Angel, yes. Yes, I'm gonna... Yes. Again, that was on me. I think I'm just so sick and tired of missing the winning trades, but... Dark Angel, I know that's like preaching to the choir. You know that feeling all too well. You entered after the 1 minute and took partials. Ooh, okay, well done, Mark 1. Whoop whoop. And also, whoop whoop. Sorry. Sorry about the break even, but great that you got some partials. That's amazing. Thanks, Dark Angel. Good plan. Yes, I'm trying. Bob, sorry, I'm catching up after I just did that. Catching up quickly. Bob. To be fair, NQ has been a little bit floppy recently. lie. To be fair, Monday's a bit of a 50-50. I've had it when Mondays are literally just winning days, and I've had it when Mondays are just shocking, absolutely shocking. But it's the chop. I need to stop trying to trade when there's chop. In all honesty, I think that's my main issue. When it's choppy like this, I get excited because I see where I could have had a winning trade. Like this one would have been such a beautiful winning trade. Oh, it would have been stunning. It would have literally tagged me in and then just melted down for my TP. And then I do, damn it, Dark Angel. It's like you said, I almost then do the revenge trading. I go like, hey, well, screw it then. We're doing the next one. And then the next one is a loss. Oh, give Maddie such a big cuddle. My discipline is my strategy. Yes, but my strategy also has to be done at the right time. Chop is not the right time. I need to keep reminding myself that. Thanks, Dark Angel, yes. There's always another trade. Sorry, I'll just read what I'm... I'll read out loud where I'm at on the chat. Okay, well, my favorite setups are engulfing candles and I'll hammer candles off key levels. Okay, I know engulfing candle. I'm actually not sure what a hammer candle is. I'm gonna have to go look that up. Let me make a note. The 15-minute candle's not great. Cool. Gross price action right now. I saw the 5-minute was just a straight line, so I can imagine the 15-minute just looks shocking. Interesting, Bob, but you don't like doing it yourself. So you enjoy watching it. Huh. When time is right, price will align. True. Hey, Scott! Stuck between 2 4-hour. That's amazing. No, I'm being very sarcastic. That's very frustrating. Get out of this damn block, please. Do you guys think it's also just really an awful day to be trading because it's a bank holiday in the UK? Do you think that could be affecting this heavily? Yay, Frankie B! Yay! Me and you both. Yeah, in the UK there's a bank holiday, which is most likely why there's so much chop going on as well. Yeah, London was not great because of it. I know some people thought that maybe New York would be a little bit of a turnaround. Apparently not. Yeah, literally, check it the 5 minutes. It's just in a flipping straight line. This is actual barcoding. This is so much fun. And my dumbass thought it was a good idea to take a trade in that. Okay, lesson learned. Twice today. Because I'm an idiot. No, you're right. Diamante, yes, we go up. You think so, Diamante? Oh, here we go. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, okay. You're in buys now. Like I said, I'm waiting for it to just get out of this for there to be some decent price action, and then I will consider looking at it again. Oh, you think so? Break higher. Yeah. Interesting, you think it's that. So it's just building up liquidity to get more movement. But then for how many freaking days? Because, oh my gosh. Diamante, simple day, I guess. Today was a movie, it would be called Harry Chopper and the Mug. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is amazing. Well, it's just tapped into those highs. It's tapped into VWAP on both ES and NQ. Let's see if it's going to respect it. It's gone above ES on... above ES. It's gone above VWAP on ES. But we're still below it on NQ, so let's see what it does now. For how long though? Or is that just anyone's freaking guess? Oh, interesting. Okay. See, guys, I just keep learning new things. I think it's amazing. Thanks, Mark 1. I know it's 1 Mark, I get it. But I call him Mark 1, he knows. Well, let's see. I mean, Diamante, looks like you may have been correct. Okay, looks like it's just broken out of my little blocky. Yeah. Mark 1 knows everything. No, I'm joking. Maybe not. To be fair, it has not gone out of the chop on ES. But it is climbing, so... one step at a time, I guess. Bob, no, I did not. And this one's price. Okay. Mark 1, yes. Okay, guys, it broke out. To take the London... No. We're not taking the London highs. I could be lying. Wait a second. Nope, it did. Literally just tapped into the London highs. Interesting. Has it not now taken London high, Neil? Ooh! Well done, UP. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Were you in the long? Diamante, are you in this? Did you get what you wanted? This box was just... let me hide this again. This box here was just me giving myself a no trade zone, basically, because I was then dumb and I traded in the chop, which I know I should not do, but I did it. And even though theoretically it popped out of the no trade zone, it only wicked out. So is it actually going to properly break out or not? I'm trying to keep myself disciplined, basically. Wow. Well done, UP. That's amazing. Also, hey Alexander, how you doing? How's it going? Damn, UP, okay, so you had a good day. Oh, interesting, okay. Gap full incoming. Thanks, Dark Angel. Oh, well done, Dark Angel, for not taking the C entries, because I know you want to only do the A+ entries. So well done for not doing that. Based on price mitigating a 4-hour liquidity level. Probably won't sustain. Interesting. So you think, so Mark 1, you think it's just going to keep chopping today? Is that what you think is going to happen? Alexander, yes. I only trade futures for right now. Yeah, exactly, Dark Angel. So well done. Like, I cannot stress enough how freaking proud I am of you. Like, you really have. I know it probably does not feel this way, but you have come really far. Of course. Alexander, how long have you been trading? What's up? Bob, did you get in on that or not really? Wait, actually, if Bob did, he wouldn't be here. Right? So I don't think Bob is here. Okay, okay. Let's see. Maybe it's finally gonna get out of this. Okay, 5 minute looks better now. 15 also looks a little bit better now. Did take those. Big wick. Okay. Okay. I hate that ES and NQ look like two very different freaking charts right now. Potentially. It did just take highs now. Has not taken them on ES yet though. What am I doing? No, Dow is tanking. Thanks, Dark Angel. Oh, nice, Bob. Well done. I thought so. I thought you got in on this. Dow is tanking. ES has seller pressure. I can see it. Ah, interesting. Okay. Ooh, well done, Bob. Whoop whoop. Damn, Bob, you just like on fire. What the heck? So how much are you up today? Because you had the win earlier, and now obviously you have this. Are you at your limit? So interesting enough, someone in the London session mentioned this. Yes, it is. I haven't back tested it properly though. These wicks and that doji's freaking me out a little bit, and this is consolidating properly. Did you hear that, Bob? I'll take coffee. Y'all do not want to see me when I've had some drinks. Oh my gosh, I'll talk so much rubbish. Interesting. Okay. Mark 1. So now this is kind of the decision point. Alexander, to answer your question, oh, here we go. Kind of answer your question. So here you can have a look. Here. Yeah. So the blue box here is the Asia session. So a lot, like I said, the one person who's been chatting to me mentioned that it seems that it wants to take Asia high quite often. So we're now going to watch and see if it does. It would be cool if it does. Let me turn this off. Sorry, it's a bit too busy. It hurts my brain if it's on all the time. It's also the midnight opening price. Okay. Yes, it did. Wait, I thought you said it was a 440 to 4. No, you did not. You did. You did say that it was. You were correct. Might be easier. We should just start listening to Bob. When in doubt, just listen to Bob. Bob's got this. It did. Check. Double tapped it. And then went away. Right past it. Cool, cool. Is it gonna keep climbing now? No, don't worry, I know Bob. Holy cow, okay. Here's a bit of momentum going down. You know how often I go like, Bob's your uncle? I'm like, oh, Bob. We all love Bob. Just like we all love Dark Angel. Dark Angel's always here saying hi to everyone. It's a huge meltdown on ES. Not that much on NQ. Looks like it's retesting VWAP on ES. Little tap into it. Interesting. Hey Diamante, how are you doing? Did you get the long that you were waiting for? Oh my gosh! Damn, Diamante! Whoop whoop indeed! Well done! Interesting, okay. Yeah, flip, Diamante did not come to play today. Oh, nice. Yeah, Mark 1, I was thinking the same thing about the structure. But again, everyone sees things differently. I always find that so interesting. This might be the little bit of a break. Again, ES and NQ look so annoyingly different today. But in the end, ES tends to win. Not always. Tends being the key word here. Aw, Diamante, you are amazing. Okay, let's have a watch see, a look see, Diamante. Where are we? Oh, it is nearly 10:30. Yeah, now it looks like yes. Okay, it wants to actually start pushing down. Dark Angel, how's your setup looking? Listen, they are amazing. Yeah, and like I said, I actually cannot stress how helpful everyone has been. Yeah, did you hear that, Diamante? It's on you now, buddy. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's see, Dark Angel. Oh my gosh. Still wouldn't have... Oh, no, it just missed. What was the setup? Just didn't go low enough. Oh well. Yo, Diamante. Drinks are on you, my guy. Seeming as you are rolling today. Rolling in the green. Are you done for the day, Diamante? You calling it? Diamante, water's perfect. Go for it. Well, let's see if anything pops up. Oh, interesting. Damn. Damn, Diamante, you really in like full let's go mode today, which is awesome. Amazing. Target 580. Damn, okay. Nice. Again, yeah. But we have to trust the one we are on, right? Yes, you trust the market you are on. Because looking at ES, where it wants to be a bearish structure, it kind of sucks. There we go. Listen, Diamante, if this goes up now, if this goes up now, if this goes up now, I'm gonna feel like an absolute tool. Ooh. Nope. Is it actually starting to listen to ES? Yes, it's actually listening to ES now? Yes, maybe no? Hello, Structure, my old friend. I would like to see you again anytime now. Sorry. True, Diamante, you do. Electrolyte water, sure. Yeah, okay, to be fair, Diamante, beer is not... If you... Shall we do the exchange rate, right? If you had to get me and Geordie something down here in South Africa, you would be paying probably not even $1. Oh, nice. Well done, Mark 1. So you also in the green for the day? And we're sitting on VWAP again. Bob, I see you. I'm gonna look now. Damn, that would have sucked. I'm glad I did not get in on that. Damn. Cool. Glad I listened to ES there. Well done, Mark. Sure. You guys are all having a good day. When can I have a good day? Wait, where's Mark K? Mark K, come back. You made me feel good that I wasn't the only one flipping, feeling like a bit of a loser today. But I am waiting for a little bit better setup, so I'm being good now. Maybe delete this thing. That's irrelevant now. It's gone, bye-bye. Yeah, okay, welcome back. Cool. How's your day looking? Please say I'm not alone in feeling bleh. Yeah, I think so. I know we get a lot. We get tiger sharks, we get great whites, we kind of get everything here. I think it's the warmer water. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank heavens, Marque. Sorry, I know that sounds bad. I'm hoping. Yeah, it feels good that I'm not the only one that sucks. No, you don't suck. This is coming across wrong. You know what I mean, right? I'm sorry. Yeah, Jody treads you. You funny, hey? Really, Mark 1? It does make me feel better, thank you. Because it does. Sometimes it just feels like I'm not getting there. But I know it's still early days. I know. Yeah, Jody. So when Daddy first popped up, I actually started calling him father because I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I still feel like I can't do it. It's too obvious. No, I was too late. Or was it a good thing that I was too late? Okay, maybe it was a good thing I was too late. Damn, okay, well, if I'd maybe done it from here, that would have looked better. We're gonna go back down now. Should I be cheeky? No, don't be cheeky. No, don't be cheeky. Bob, it kind of looks like it. If you look on ES, maybe not. It double tap. There's some buyers sitting over here by the looks of things. We might hit 500 again, which was where you bought in, hey, Diamante. Yep. Mark 1, it's fun. Do we think it's going up or down, up or down, up or down, up or down, up or down? Theoretically hasn't taken anything on NQ. It did kind of just tap into that little low over there on ES. It's gonna want to start going, nope. Pulled that wrong. Was just about to say it's gonna want to start going down. Just to prove, Marquet, I swear, it's listening to both of us and giving us the freaking middle finger. Whenever I'm like, oh, I see it, it's gonna go down, it goes, it. Then does the complete freaking opposite. Oh, 100%, one mark, it really does, and it help. English lost, gone. It holds me in check, which helps a lot. Like I said, you guys are amazing. I think I would have blown 3 times the amount of accounts if I did not have you guys. Nope, it's just bouncing off the VWAP. Like here, part of me is going, I need to go in for a short. Don't do it. Diamante, I've taken profit already, I'm scaling back in. If it goes to 500, I'll buy more. Okay. Damn, Diamante, you really are on a roll today. Cool. Glad I did not just do a market sell. That would have been bad. If we break below 518, we could see 500. Where's 518? There. Oh, so where my low is. Or where the low is, rather. I'm waiting, Dark Angel, I'm waiting. Yeah, kind of looks like it's retesting into VWAP on ES. Correct me if I'm wrong or if I'm talking absolute bull. Get it? Okay. You think so? Interesting. What happens at 10:30? Just out of curiosity, guys. Like, I don't know, is it just a thing? Ah, poopies, check. Oh, wait, not poopies, ignore me. See, I told you, Marquet. I told you. The freaking second I'm like, look. It does the opposite. That's interesting. Thanks, Dark Angel. I'd never... That makes sense. Hey, Frankie B. No. Not at all. Not even close. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hi. Are you coming to check up? Thanks. Appreciate it. Frankie B, no, I have not taken every trade today. I have missed the ones that would have been wins, and I took the ones that were losses. And by the ones, I took 2. Took 2 trades. Both of them were a loss, which sucks, but Marquet, 100%. Frankie B, he is a rescue, so take your pick. Let's see if he'll come a little bit closer. Come here. Come say hi. Oop, oop. There's your nose. Okay, they can see your nose. Maybe see the white tip of his tail. There we go. Little white tip tail. He hates it. I annoy him so much. But he has like a mix of everything. He's a proper what do we call it down here? Afrikaner. No, Afrikanus. No? Yes. Yes. So down in South Africa it's called an Afrikanus. So it's basically just a street dog. But he is the best, and he is so beautiful. And he's massive. Diamante, backtest and look back almost every day around 10:30. The market gets a pullback. I don't know what's going. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna watch it properly today now. So we have 2 minutes to go. Let me watch. That would have been a loss. Cool. Glad I didn't do that. Thank you. There we go. Pavement special. Oh, Diamante. He also has 4 white socks. How cool. Oh, he follows me on them. Literally, so I'll be riding and he'll be following me behind them. It's awesome. So yes, he's amazing with the horses. Man, then 35 pre-market highs holding strong. For now, Bob. For now. Okay. 1 minute to go. I'm interested to... Like, I've always noticed something happens at 10:30. I just never, just don't think I ever clocked what it was. But Dark Angel, thanks. That explanation was amazing. Diamante, also, thank you. Amazing. Bob, lower highs. Yes, you are dead wolf. No, I'm joking. I know you're talking about my dog. In line there as well. Okay, 15 seconds to go. Yeah, let's have a look-see. Four, 3, 2, 1. I expected more of a pop, but no. But she did say a little bit of a reversal, so let's see. Oh, here we go. Kind of. I see it as a little bit more volatile. Maybe a little bit more than a little. It do be volatile. Jordy, are you sure? Got it, got it. Frankie B, what got me into trading? Basically wanting to be a little bit more independent. Not relying... I don't want to say not relying on other people, that's not right. Huh, you're buying. Geordie's shorting. I'm curious now about which direction this is gonna go. Someone's either playing music or playing guitar. If it's them playing, they're playing really well. I don't think you guys can hear it. Anyway, sorry, that was very random. Frankie B. Dark... Okay, Dark Angel, cool. Me and you both. We are both waiting for something decent to happen now. Let's see. Or if anything's even gonna present itself. Oh, sorry, Frank. Oh, is that what you... So I knew someone that trades. And yeah, they introduced me to it and explained some of the basics, helped me out, and here we are. Expect the highs to be taken in maybe a short. Do you expect the highs around 569? Sorry, 568, 569? Or do you mean them properly being taken out here, Dark Angel? Where have you marked the highs? Yeah. 585, lucky number of the day. Nice. Yeah, we chip chopping again. Man. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, those equal highs, they are juicy. I really thought this morning for London that I would go up and take the... No? Yes. When London properly opened, I thought that it would go up and take those equal highs and then come down. It did not. And that's fine. Oh my gosh, why are we doing a chip choppy day? Geordie, wait. You're gonna close this. Are you in a bit of red? If you are, womp womp. I'm sorry. Oh, well, I think that's now Maddie's chair, Dark Angel. That's no longer your chair. It literally just looks like it's sitting on VWAP on ES right now. Oh, wait, no. Literally just sitting and chilling. Are we gonna actually get off of it, or is it just teasing? Kind of looks like it's just teasing. Okay, that's not bad, Geordie. Never mind, that's fine. No biggie. What's rude? That is now Maddie's chair. You're right. You are rude for wanting to steal her chair. Be better. I think that needs to start being my slogan. Just be better. Just do better. Just trade better, honestly. Just be better, Maya. Oh, well, to be fair, I have done my best to stick with it. It was unlucky it didn't get me in for this one. No, which one was it? It wasn't that one. It was that one. It was both this one and this one. It just didn't tag me in, or else it would have been a win. So I can't be upset about that. Did we not just have this discussion about if we had to pick humans or animals, which side are we going to be on? It can never be the animal's fault. But no, we are friends. Can't you just like make a little kitty puddle and just pick her up? And just... Don't they do that floppy thing where they just kind of hang and they look like a an accordion? They just for really long. That's the vibe cats give me. You know, when you pick them up, they almost start to look like a bit of a ferret. Like they're just... It's like their spine grows longer somehow. Ah, Maddie, don't give up your throne. Sorry, guys. There we go, the flop. Like what I'm doing today. The flop. That's another 400 plus. Then I'm calling it a day. Okay. There's such high resistance going on up here. Like... Mark 1 is just all the consolidation trying to get liquidity to get movement, right? Is that it? Am I getting it? We're figuring it out slowly but surely. And Amanda, I'm surprised you haven't called it a day on that amazing win you had. You think so? Huh. Okay. The liquidity grab, yeah. Oh, smart. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so choppy. Dark Angel, any setups for you or nothing? 3 news, 3, 2, 1. Excuse me. Okay. This might be a mistake, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Let's see. We're going with the market. Hasn't taken anything major on ES. Oh, a little bit less for today. Let's go down pretty far though. May have been a huge mistake, but we're doing it because I would regret it if I did not take it. Oh, I should have made the range down there. Yeah, it's too late now. Now have a little bit more of a push. Is that 12 micros? Yes. Yes, Dark Angel it is. Yes, I am. I'm trying. I could close it on and just... That wick down is giving me a tiny bit of hope, which is maybe bad. I hate it when it gives me hope. Makes me nervous. Yep. Nervous to be hopeful. Never be hopeful. Oh, go to break even, but go to break even. Little bit. Not broken below on ears. Looks like it wants to though. Go back up. You want to M? I only have the one right now. No, come on. Damn it. I tried. Oh well. No. So I always do it around 200 loss. Regardless of whatever. So depending on the size, obviously it depends on that one. Oh well, it's fine. Womp womp, thanks. Thanks, Geordie. Appreciate that one. That was rude, but accurate. Womp womp indeed. So I actually should have put it here. Oh, it would have probably... Oh my gosh. Would have just tapped. Can you imagine? Oh, I would have actually cried. Check there. I realized too late. This is actually where I wanted it to be. Oh well, it was there. It is what it is. Yeah. You're right, it did do that last week. It came this close and then just did not tag it. And London High was right by equal highs as well, so that was weird. I really thought it would take that. That's fine, Jordy. No, you are correct. It is womp womp. And it is what it is. I kind of was hoping it would be out of the chop, and it was starting to follow a little bit more of a bullish trend, so I got excited. Whatever. Diamante, no? Yeah. Jordy, I think you know this. We have the 3 responses. Win, whoop whoop, loss, womp womp, as you have so keenly observed, thanks. And break even, I'm going with whoop wop. Yes, it's very lame, but I'm sticking to my guns. I was kinda hoping that it would bounce off of VWAP one last time on ES, because it literally was sitting on VWAP. I kind of thought it might tap into it and go up, It did not. Check here, check here, check here. Did the dog plus? That would have been a freaking win. Okay, maybe next time when I get tagged out and I go, oh, well, did we doing the reversal? Maybe I should just go in. Yes, Geordie trades, break even is whoop wop. Because both yay and boo at the same time. Yes, it would have been. You are right, Diamante, but unfortunately. And now it's taken liquidity. Thanks, Bob. I know, big oof. Okay, well, let's see. We thinking reversal now? Let's go for reversal now. No, go for it. You see, now I'm starting to doubt things. I'm like, no, what if it's done this, if it's done this, if it's done this? What if it's faking out like it normally likes to do? That's a big candle going up now. And I missed it. Look at the 5-minute first. Okay. So what I'm seeing is 5 minutes is just moving absolutely nowhere. Yeah. Also, you restocked the what? The Cholula. What is that? What is Cholula? I feel really uneducated. What is that? Yeah. So it's just wicking all over the place, basically. And it's staying in a straight... Oh, wait. Looks like we might actually have a little bit of something, which again is frustrating, chick. Hot sauce. Really? Bob, you like hot sauce? So I am... Sorry, I just heard a kid screaming. Oh my gosh. I am one of those people that if I hear a kid screaming, I want to run away from it, not run towards it. I'm a little bit weird like that, but it's fine. No. Investigate. I wonder if we have it in South Africa. Cholula. Cholula. Cool, check now it's... Would have been lost again, and I was thinking about taking this one. Now it looks like it's pushing on NQ again. Oh, I'm giving up. No, I'm not giving up. There's no such thing as giving up. David. No, I think they're just playing outside. But I kind of go, huh. If I heard an animal crying, you guys would see just a little, that animated dust cloud behind me while I go freaking running there to see. So I'm such a baby with hot sauce. Okay. Oh, I have such a great idea. Tell me what you guys think. Would this be really funny for you guys to watch or not? Just let me know. I think it could be so funny. But like I said, I'm such a baby when it comes to hot sauce. Such a baby. Like peri peri is too spicy. Every time I have a losing trade, I must have like a proper, like almost a spoonful of hot sauce. I'll cry. But it could be quite funny. There we go. It's like negative, whatchamacallit? Instead of positive reinforcement training, that negative one. Too much, I just saw that now. I think that's definitely it. It's the blown account. Cholula. Am I saying that? Yes. Cholula. It's fun to say, if anything else. You think long from this range. Oh, let's have a look. Yes, it really did, Bob. It held up. Crazy. Let's see if it takes the highs before it comes back to tag me in. No. If it doesn't, this could actually be a really decent one if it comes back down far enough. Yeah, we're gonna come back down far enough. 11 seems decent. Oh, flip. Yeah, flip. Why did you not do that back there? Huh? What the heck? Oh, it's about to take the highs. Are you sure about that, LP? Yep. Would it not be better to be going short now after it's just taken London highs? Hey Matt, thanks for the sub. Yes, it looks like a liquidity grab. You're right, it did not break structure, so we are still going up and away. So it's just freaking all the way up here. Definitely not 11. Hell no. 10. Yep. 9. 8. Ooh, 8 on the dot. Nice. Yep, Diamante, you were correct. Okay, Dark Angel, so gap fill not completed yet, so you think it might come back down and then go back up? Diamante says sell. Huh. Oh, okay, cool. I don't know if it's gonna come all the way back in for this one. Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, let's try the buy. So, it's cool to know I had the right idea here. It just went past, like a lot past. This will be the last trade for today. I'm calling it. It's the last one for today because I'm getting a headache. I think my heart just stopped right there. Please do what I wanted you to do earlier. Oh my god. Well, we're in this. My guy, that will kill me. That will. Yep, my heart just stopped 110% right there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna go. It's not quite at 50%. And you didn't die? How did you not die, Wolf? Come on, go up. Come on, go up. Come on, go up. Okay, cool, Diamante. Let's see. Came out of your nostrils again? I feel like you should have died. Someone somewhere was looking out for you. Come on. Okay. Looks okay. No, I'm watching too much. You guys have to keep me distracted. Keep me distracted. Keep me distracted. Yes, listen to Dark Angel. That's to be fair, it's what I thought would happen earlier, which it did not do. Oh, flip. This looks like it was the shift. No? Okay, so it is respecting VWAP. Kind of. Waiting. What am I waiting for? Fine. You're right, you're right. Just hands off, leave it alone. Oh no. Yeah, fair. Oh, sorry, UP. ES, the ES VWAP. So I have ES open on the other screen. So ES drives in what it's supposed to. Maybe it doesn't always, but it's supposed to. And it's sitting on VWAP on ES. Yeah. Dark Angel, you are amazing. Thanks, Diamante. Appreciate it. Should being that, but it's hands off. I'm kind of death gripping this poor mug. It breaks. You guys know. Okay, if it gets to around 50, which should be around 200, 50%, I'll go to break even then. Or I should just leave it. Didn't reach my 50%. And I'm sticking to the rules. I'm being vigilant. No, 100% Diamantes. It's... I don't think he's here, Limcurse. Oh no, Limcurse is on holiday. Like Limcurse said, and he said it really nicely and it made me feel a lot better. He said you have to look at the losses as a way to help the market. So almost look at them as wins in a way. I know I butchered that completely, but... interesting. Oh, okay. Well, we can go break even now. Just a point above, just to accommodate for the spread. Okay. Sorry. You leave quite a bit on the table by just closing the position at market. Yes, Bob, it is. So let's hope it keeps reaching for my TP. Would be so nice if it does. It did hit my break-even point. Oh, okay. But X closes at market price. Yes. Buying more at the break of high. Really? Diamante, isn't that a bit bold? Yeah, poop. Go back up. You think so, Geordie? Well, I hope so. Wow, I feel like I'm being left out on some really cool things right now. I am so jealous. Oh. Damn, Diamante. Okay. Let's see. Diamante, can I just have like one normal win first? That would be great. I mean, it's close. It's 579. 23577 gap full. Make back that loss, yeah. No, come on, stay with your upward trend. Stay with your upward trend. Stay with your upward trend. Sorry, as you guys can see, I still get nervous. Huh. I still get nervous, but thank you, Dark Angel, for saying hands off. I know she can't hear me. I'm trying not to get too excited. It's so close. No, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Guys, think good, positive thoughts. Come on. Oh, I can't look. I'm waiting for the beep. No, come on. I know, Bob, I'm trying so hard to not get excited. No, Diamante, what happened? Close it. You think so? No, it's hands off. Oh shoot, it does look like it wants to go down. How about this? Let's move this. That we still have a little bit of profit, but it's around there. How about that? That works. It is still above the 9. So even if it gets me out there, I still have a little bit of profit. Huh. There we go. Kinda does look like it wants to break. But wait. No man, I got excited. Okay. I'm so glad I have you guys here to hold me accountable. Oh my gosh. Okay, but we have a win. We have a win. Winning, winning, winning. Oh, thank you, UP. Whoop whoop. Okay, that makes me feel better after the yucky morning. At least it puts me into a break-even day, not a red day, so that does make me feel a whole lot better. No? Am I lying? I'm lying. Yeah, thanks, Bob. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Oh, that was stressful. Damn. That was a roller coaster. Thanks. You guys are amazing. On that note, please, pretty please, can you press that little like button for me now that we have a win? Now you can actually like this because now we actually had a win. Before, meh. Diamante, you still in this? Oh, right, because you are at 588, right? There. Okay, let's see if it goes to where you want it to go. Be amazing if it does. Out of curiosity, I don't think it would have gone far enough down for this one. Nah, wouldn't have gone far enough down. Wanted to try get in on that one. 585? I don't know why I had 588 in my head. 600. 585. No, man, it's coming up. Oh, you think it's gonna go higher? Oh, there we go. Well, it hit 585. Okay, well, we are still in this trend. What are we looking at? Butchered that. That wick makes me nervous. Rightfully so, apparently. Hey, Mats! How are you? Mats Tequila. Its range is a little bit small. Oh, but I guess it would have been fine. Raro. Patimun. Bloxen. Oh. I'm sorry, Diamante. Aw. Bye, Diamante. Sorry. But you had such a good day. Up until now. But it was a good day up until now. Yeah, 100%, Bob. That was crazy. Ooh, nice, UP. Amazing. Whoop whoop for you too. That is awesome. Still hasn't tapped into what would have been a win. Toit. Noise Toit. If you know, you know. I'm actually binge watching that series right now. Okay, no, I did say that was my last trade. I must stick to my plan, right? Yes. Oh, thank heavens I did. Damn! Frankie B. I'm sorry. That's, oh my gosh. Listen, to be fair, I first, second, and I think third. Did I do 3 trades today? Oh, which means I am still a little bit in the red today, but I did make up quite a bit. So I feel a little bit better. I'm just in the red today, which sucks. Jordy trades. Sorry, Frankie B, but how's the rest of the day been looking? Getting there? Me? But 100%, it's where noise toit comes from. Oof, it looks like it wants to go back up. Just... Oof, I may have been gotten by the spread there with that one. I could market buy. No, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Oh, it's so good. Oh, new girl. So, what I've also been binging is Bob's Burgers. What a wholesome little animation. I love it so much. I like to believe I'm Louise. Part of me wants to think I'm Tina, but I also really dislike Tina, so... Anyway. I love New Girl. Love New Girl. I've only seen it once though, and then they took it off of Netflix, which sucked. So Yellowstone, I watched the beginning of the first episode and got angry, and that was it. Bob, it's called Bob's Burgers. It is amazing. It is so cute and wholesome. I'm wondering if the spread would have taken me out on this one. If it would have, that would have sucked. Can you imagine? Okay, to be fair, it probably... So I'm still wondering, do you think the spread would have taken me out on that one? Please do, Bob, and you have to let me know what you think. For me, in my opinion, Bob is the best father ever. I love him so much. Bob's Burgers is amazing. Yellowstone. So yes, like I said, Frankie B, I started to watch the first episode and got angry because, well, number one, there's that incident in like the first freaking scene where I was like, huh, no. Hey LP, I had a win. Yay, we had a win. And then thank heavens I left it at that because I kind of thought I'm going to leave it at that for today. I don't want to push my luck because luck has not been on my side and it changed. So I was like, yay! Thank heavens, because check, this would have been a loss and it seems to be consolidating now, but just wicking out all over the place, which is not ideal. Yes. Sorry. Pick. Winning! Was a stressful win. Check, guys, this would have gone. It just would have wicked me out first. That kind of sucks. Yeah, wouldn't have had an entry there either. Oh well. Thanks. No, that one would have been a perfect 400, yes, because this was a perfect 200, so this would have been 2R win, so perfect 400. Was it 5? I don't think it was 5. May have been 5. No, it was 8. Sorry, and 8 was a perfect 200 loss if it was a loss, so it was a perfect 2R 400 winning trade. That one is actually thanks to Dark Angel. 100% thanks to Dark Angel. She told me hands off, and I was like, no, you are correct, and I kept my hands off. So that one is all thanks to Dark Angel, 100%. Did I answer everyone? Yes, I did. There we go. Oh, there we go. I'm back. Clicking, click, 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 click. Like I said, I'm actually just an old woman. A young lady's body. Oh, it is climbing up. This actually may have been a decent one. It's steadily climbing for those highs, Dark Angel. What? Okay, anyways. It's reaching for the Asia highs, by the looks of things. Which is right above it. Yeah, Dark Angel's got this down. Dark Angel's like a group, I don't even know. Like, just the amazing older sister, that's it. Really? Is it just... I've heard that from a few people now. I've heard Monday mornings aren't the bestest of mornings to be trading. I say that, but check, this one would have been a win. Well, no, I'm speaking way too soon. Maybe I should stop assuming. Yeah, it's enjoying chip-chopping, picking up all that liquidity and then running away a little bit today and wicking out everywhere, damn. How's it look on the higher time frames? 5 minutes. Oh, okay, at least we have some decent movement on the 5 minute now. Oh, the 5 minutes actually rather nice. And look at that, right by TP. Nice. It did? I mean, Bob swears by the double bottom. Oh, nice. Enjoy, Bob. See you tomorrow afternoon. Have an amazing one. Damn, that one would have been another win. Or just, you're right there. Bob is like the definition of Bob's your uncle. Bob is awesome. We all love Bob. Like the cool uncle. And Dark Angel's that amazing big sister. Yeah. Ooh, that little doji on ES makes me nervous. Makes me nervous, like I've put a freaking trade in. Good idea, bad idea. Good idea, bad idea. Good idea, bad idea. I feel like it's a bad idea. An okay idea. Maybe not. True. Okay, let's be quick about this. Shoot, maybe I'm not gonna be quick enough, but limit. Nope. Nope. No. 13 it is. Okay. Let's see. It does have the highs to take. Let's hope it doesn't come and screw me. I'm a little bit scared, but it's fine. Like I said, that doji on ES is scaring me a little bit. However, Asia High is right there. It's literally right there. So it's now hands off until it hits to around 200. Then I move it to break even, and then I can maybe go up a little bit more with it. Let's see. It's because I'm watching it. Maybe I should not watch, right? No watching. Yes. I finished my tea. I can't even sip my tea now. Yep. Maybe mark this on the ES. Okay. Staying distracted. Staying distracted. Don't worry, Dark Angel. Oh my god. Okay. And just like that, we are winning. Oh, flip. Okay, that was a good one. This is what it's supposed to look like. That beautiful little tag in, and then a beautiful shoot up. That's what we want. And this right here is what we live for. Yes, we got this. Whoop whoop indeed. Okay, 2 times 2 are wins for today. It's now taken Asia High, which means is this going to be the shift down? Hey, Mats. Thanks, Frankie baby. I've only been trading since April. I'm pretty new. I'm quite a baby still. Which means I do sometimes make baby mistakes, obviously, as we all do. I feel like I need to potentially stop there. It has not taken the highs yet on ES. What is that line? I did not put that line there. What is that? Okay. Now this range is a little bit after it's taken, yeah. Oh, think maths, yes. Thank you. It sometimes does not feel like that at all. Yeah. Some days it feels like I'm going backwards. Earlier, before these two, I really felt that way. I was like, no, I'm just going backwards. I'm learning absolutely nothing. But, oh. Okay, I'm up 4R. Maybe I should call it there at that. Because being up 4R is pretty decent. I'm happy with 4R. Oof, this would have just missed. Looks like it wants to start pushing now on ES. The big wicks down make me think that. Here we go. I could be wrong. It could now just start melting. Because it now just got the Asia high, right? Yes. Let's see. I'm a little bit confused about why this is following this, but okay. Yeah, it took the Asia highs now. Oh, there's some resistance there on ES. Some proper resistance there on ES. Thanks, Deadwolf. No, you are right. I must stick to that. 4R is good. It's a good day. I think I'm only up then by $200, but I'm still up. Up is up, right? Up is up. So then we're in a green day. Yes! Okay. Then I'm gonna wait around until 5:30 my time. Because, like I said, I'm weird and I like to end on the half hour. No, wait, Deadwolf, you didn't put any trades in today, right? Okay, cool. So just a watching day for you, noise. Matt, how long have you been trading for? Oh, I'm sorry. Where was the low that you wanted? I'm wanting to see something. If the indicator's just being dumb right now. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, and okay. I do not know what this is, but it's there for some reason. I'm just gonna delete that now. What am I looking for? Last week. I'm looking for last week. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, cool. And then I'm gonna put this on and see something. Why does the London high follow the New York high? Oh, because they overlap. Oh, that's interesting. Does the London session only theoretically end at 5:30? My time, sorry. Which, what time would that be? 11:30 New York time. I never clocked that. Oh yeah. See, every single day it feels like I learn something new. Really? Are you sure? Hey, SK, how you doing? I'm doing good. How was your weekend? Day 12 23360. Huh. Interesting. So here, now that it's nearly 5:30, let me watch what happens. So this might be the reversal. Interesting, Geordie, thanks. I actually didn't know that. I don't know why. I just never clocked. I knew that now London opens 9:30 a.m. South Africa time. I did not know it closed only at 5:30 p.m. Ooh, SK, damn. Are you okay, dude? Deadwolf, sorry, 23360. Holy moly. You wanted to go all the way down here. Flipping hell. SK, how are you feeling then? That's hard. That's really, really hard. I just want to watch and see what happens at this 5:30 point. Just consolidating too much there, so I'm glad. Huh. Well, let's maybe not assume. You never know. Maybe SK's got a dark side. Ah. You're right, here we go. 5:30 p.m. London closes. That makes so much sense. I've always wondered why there's like a jump. I always thought people were like coming back from lunch or something. That's rough. I have watched Dexter. You have a point. Got it. Okay, just checking SK. Woo, we good. But well done, SK. That's also really... That is probably the most difficult thing you could ever do. Geordie, out of curiosity, because I know daylight savings times changes. Do you know when that changes? They gots to get got. Hey, Dark Angel. Yeah, those are the rules. We don't make the rules. Those are the rules. Thank you, Heisenberg. So it's coming up. Well, kind of. Oh, it's still a while away. Okay, no, we good. We good. Thanks, Heisenberg. Appreciate it. Thank you. Heisenberg, how's your trading day going? Or you're not trading today? Taking a bit of a stand back today. So is this the shift? Well, it's the shift on ES, kind of. Wait, it hasn't broken lows. Let me shush. Still bearish. I mean bullish. Sorry, I know I'm staying later than I said I would. I'm sorry, Heisenberg. Are you in a trade or did you not take anything today? Oh, to be fair, so am I. I had two unlucky ones, but to be fair, the one was my fault because it was super choppy. I shouldn't have taken it. This one, theoretically, I did have the right idea. We were still bullish. There wasn't a break in trend. I was just unlucky. I got caught in the fake out. And then I had 2 wins in a row, so that was awesome. Damn! Took 10 trades. Sure. Listen, I'm convinced we just have good days and bad days. And I know it's not luck, but sometimes it feels like luck. Yeah. Nice, okay. Oh, do you know what then, Heisenberg? You get a whoop wop. A yay-aw. Because that's awesome. Better than a red day, right? That's what I have to keep telling myself. Better than a red day. I kind of thought there would be a little bit more excitement, but also it is Monday and the banking holiday. Maybe that's why. Hey, oh, thanks for the kisses. I appreciate it. Oh, that was so sweet. Is it you telling me I have to come feed you dinner? Ah, I see. Okay. You heard the man. Oh, wait. Let's see if this is the shift. Is it going to start breaking lows? Hasn't broken it yet on ES. Heisenberg, yeah, I'm good today. Well, now I'm feeling better after those wins. There was a moment I was doubting everything and just questioning my life, and I was like, what am I doing? But I feel better after those wins. Now I'm in the green, yay! So now it's just to try and keep up those trades. And keep these green days coming. And that comes from accountability from my amazing big sister of the group, Dark Angel. She's amazing. Gonna watch a little bit longer. I want to see if it does start the shift. Just out of curiosity, because now I'm curious. I know charts are unpredictable and they don't always do what you want them to, but let us little English gone missing boy. Yeah, but it's true, you are. You're like the big sister of the group. There we go. There's the shift. Interesting. See, every day you learn something new. I find it so interesting. Let's see, it looks like that they English! Looks like there wants to be a shift down. It did break the low. I mean, this could be a fake out. It's not like it's broken properly, but this could be a little bit of a break of structure. Oh, are you on the hunt now? Damn, Geordie. Okay. Look at you go. I thought you didn't trade Mondays. Or have you gotten a little bit of FOMO? Here we go. Please don't, like, accidentally now mess up your system. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, there seems to be a proper shift. Awesome. Noted. I really wasn't joking. It's so interesting how do I put this? It literally feels like every single day I learn something new. Even if it's something like a little bit new. I feel like I've learned a lot today. A lot. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. Just checking. I was like, I know. I feel so bad. I'm not taking it. I'm just curious. See if it would have been. Okay. So there would have been the entry. Well, this is looking scary, damn. Took some of that liquidity and it's like, hey, let's use this. Yeah. So this would have been a short, but I'm done trading for today. So I didn't put it in. But there's a short setup. Let's see. Okay, amazing. Let's see if this would have been one, just out of curiosity. It's nice to know the different times. Like you said, nice to know when to stay away from the market, or now there might be a reversal coming up, so be aware. It looks conflicted, for lack of a better word. I know it's consolidating, but conflicted feels right. Here we go. You think so? Oh gosh, okay, then never mind. I'm gonna leave this up and come back and have a look at it tomorrow morning. Oh? Huh. Interesting. Good question. I think Dark Angel does. Correct me if I'm wrong. I must not speak for you. Haha. Okay, I'm gonna leave this setup up. I'll come back and have a look at it tomorrow. See if it would have been a win or not. But like you said, I guess if they're on lunch, it's not gonna have the best price action. Yep. I'm just so chuffed that I learned something new today. Thanks, guys. Y'all are amazing. Okay, but then I'm gonna call it there for now, especially because it appears that it is now lunchtime. Because Dark Angel's the best. It's impossible to not be best friends with her. Why do you think she is the group's older sister? We love her madly. Don't know what I would do without Dark Angel. I get excited every time I see her pop up on stream. She is, like I said, I've contemplated changing this channel's name to trading... to... what? Maya and Dark Angel Chit Chat. That's where we're at. Dark Angel is the bestest. We love her to bits and pieces. But I'm gonna call it there. I'll be back tomorrow. Let's see, hopefully there's a little bit better price action going on. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Yeah, amazing day, people in the UK. Geordie, have an amazing evening. Let's see if a nice setup comes up for you. But mad love for all of you guys. See you back here tomorrow. I'm super excited. Thanks, Dark Angel. Yeah, this was an awesome day. Well, I feel better now. It was looking bad, and now it's looking great. So have an amazing time, guys. Mad love. See you all back here, same time, same place, tomorrow. Love you guys lots. Bye.